Busker 909 here. That's my adaptation of Shakey Ground for the 3-string fretless cigar box guitar, using a slide, of course. Really cool tune. It's been around for a long time. It's very popular at open stages and jams because it's a one riff blues song. You basically play the riff and jam on it in all sorts of different ways. There's been many versions. The first version was the Temptations a long time ago. They were a little fancier than what I just did. And then Etta James had a great version. Many people have had a great version. I sort of think of Delbert McClinton when I think of the lick. It was very funky. And that's why I used the drums that come in the little Joyo amp here that I'm using to sort of illustrate exactly where the notes land. It's a great song for beginner fretless guitar as well, as you'll see. So I'm tuned to open G, G, D, G. The song is usually done lower than that, but I left it in G because that's the popular tuning these days. So it starts off with the open low string and then the octave. You could do the open high string, but I like to control the sound by muting behind the slide with these fingers and with these fingers over here. So I do the low note and then the 5th fret on the middle string. Just like that. And I mute it right afterwards because it's a very funky song. And then I go 2, 3 on the middle string. That's the first half of the lick. So what I'm doing with my right hand is my thumb is resting on the low string. My middle finger is resting on the high string because I'm not using it and I don't want any slide sounds coming from it. My first finger's doing most of the work. My thumb and first finger, I guess. So the thumb comes right back down and mutes that string. And the first finger picks out the notes. 5, 2, 3. And the second part, all that's different there is an octave again, low octave, high octave, 0, 5, then 2, 3, then 2, 3, and then 5, but you want to slide into the 5. It's almost like an extra note there. You hear that in there? So you're actually hitting the note that's going to be the 5 while you're still sitting around on the 3. And another thing I'm doing here, if you're a beginner, is I'm not letting my slide run on the low string. I'm tipping it sideways, just enough to get the middle string. And that way I don't have to worry about any extra slide noise that I don't want. Like that. Anyway, very easy riff. I hope you have a lot of fun with that. Have a great day. Bye.